Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for March 25 to 31, 2024. This is a general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages, and thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong 30% discount extended hanggang March 31, 2024. So, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment kung gusto nyong mag-book. Okay, Pisces, let's see what's up with you this week. Author, initiations, be open through this transitional time. So, initiations, maaring ikaw mismo, no, magte-take ka na ng initiative na mag-take action ka doon sa mga gusto mong mga ma-achieve, sa mga goals mo sa buhay, pangarap mo. And I feel like you are going with the flow. You are going with the flow kung saan ka dalhin ng iyong mga pangarap. You also have the energy ng snake, Kundalini rising. So, channel your creative passion and sensuality. Welcome the transformation. So, merong pagbabago, major change, metamorphosis. So, I feel like you are becoming more focused on changing yourself, becoming a better version of yourself. Okay? You are transforming. So, yung iba sa inyo, you are tapping into your creativity. No, mas nagiging creative kayo, mas nagiging aware kayo sa inyong mga sarili, no? Especially sa inyong mga kakayanan, yung inyong abilities. Sea turtle, conservation, make conscious choices. So, yung iba sa inyo, magiging very careful, no, in making decisions at pagpili ng mga bagay na best for you. This can be sa relationship, this can be sa career or sa business, but alam mo kung ano yung ginagawa mo, no? Hindi ito yung tipong padalos-dalos lang. Yung iba sa inyo, pumipili kayo ngayon mas pinipili nyo ngayon na magbago, magkaroon ng pagbabago. It's either sa career, sa relationship ninyo, whatever, kung ano man dito yung pinagdadaanan nyo ngayon. So, yung iba, sabay, no? Oo. Let's see your overall energy. You have the Tower. Ooh. You have the 5 of Swords. And, nako, Pisces, merong meron ditong conflict, no? Pwedeng ikaw conflicted ka or yung mga tao sa paligid mo may conflict. Pwedeng napapagitnaan ka. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring you are dealing with someone na medyo schemy, no? Schemy, tama ba yun? Parang siya, tuso. Oo. Na pwedeng gustong manlamang sa'yo, pwedeng ayaw magpalamang, gusto kang lamangan. Oo, so there's a lot of competition around you, pwedeng sa trabaho, sa career mo, or sa business. And even sa relationship, no, I see someone na hindi siya, parang intention niya is not really pure, no? Kumbaga, meron siyang hidden agenda, no, sa'yo. So, mag-ingat sa mga deal ngayong week na to. There's a Tower, merong sudden change, no? Or merong kailangang magbago or pwedeng mawala para may magbago. Okay, let's see what else. Your money, career, finances. You have the 10 of Swords. Oh, Pisces. Meron ditong nagbabago ng career, no? May natapos na career and merong simula. Kasi yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng napagod na kayo sa trabaho, sa career na meron kayo kasi you feel like you've been doing a lot of work, no? Pero parang wala ka nakikitang resulta, yung tipong trabaho ka ng trabaho, andyan lahat ng effort mo, pero parang it's not going anywhere, no? Hindi ka nakakita ng growth, walang major change, but I feel like ikaw na mismo yung gagawa ng change na yan. Some of you, aalis kayo sa isang trabaho, career, or a business that is no longer working for your highest good. At magpo-focus ka sa bagong simula. Meron kang mga pinag-aaralan, mga nire-research, and someone is also influencing you. Pwedeng romantic partner mo to na nag-i-influence sa'yo na subukan ng ibang bagay, no? Aside from your career or job ngayon or business ngayon. Pwede rin tong anyone na mahal mo sa buhay. Pwedeng romantic partner, pwedeng family, no? And some of you are going to enter a business partnership. Oo. Or pwedeng meron kang kasama dyan na pwedeng it's either siya yung nag-investor or pwedeng siya yung nagiging coach mo or mentor mo. Just do it. Yung iba sa inyo, biglaan, no? Pwedeng biglaan kayong nag-resign, biglaan kayong, biglaan yung binago yung trabaho nyo, yung career ninyo. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring in denial sa inyong situation sa career ninyo. It's time to face your truth and work on building your reality. So, itong the tower energy here, merong kailangang masira para merong magsimula ulit. Okay? So, ayun na naman yung analogy ng lumang building na hindi na safe para gamitin. So, kaya dinedemolish, no? Para matayuan ng bago. Parang ganon. So, just take what resonates. Stay low-key as you get the job done. So, pagdating daw sa mga pinupurso mo na negosyo, trabaho, career, kailangan daw ka lang, yung hindi masyadong nagfi-flex, tahimik ka lang, no? You work in silence, pero you are really pursuing whatever it is, no? Pinupurso mo talaga kasi merong mga tao na naiinggit dyan sa tabi-tabi. Pag nakikita nilang nakakaangat-angat ka, nakakaluwag-luwag ka, or meron ka na-achieve, kahit na sinasadya man nila o hindi, meron silang nasisend na bad vibes sa'yo. Okay? So, that's why, yun yung iniiwasan natin. Kasi, what they don't know, they cannot destroy. Okay? Or they cannot ruin. So, wag mo na ipaalam sa kanila. Ipaalam mo na lang pag andyan na i-build mo na. 'Di ba? Your love life. You have the 4 of Wands. You have the 8 of Wands. The 9 of Pentacles. And the King of Wands. So, pagdating sa love life, mas maganda ang energies for you this week, no? So, I think itong challenges ninyo may kinalaman sa trabaho, sa finances, no? Sa kaperahan ninyo. Pero pagdating sa relationship, I see a relationship na solid, no? Solid connection. Yung iba sa inyo may asawa na, open yung communication nyo sa isa't isa. With the 9 of Pentacles, I feel like pareho nyo nirerespeto yung individuality ng bawat isa. Yung tipong you can be independent but also in a relationship. And same with your person, no? Pwedeng independent din siya pero you are in a relationship. So, kumbaga, meron kayong kanya-kanyang identity, meron kayong kanya-kanyang success, level of success, na hindi nyo kailangang umasa sa iba. Pero since you are in a relationship, you also support each other. Okay? So, if you are single, may mga messages coming through. Pero medyo mag-ingat kasi baka yung mga nagme-message na yan ay pwedeng meron ng responsibility. So, you have to, of course, mag-research ka if this person is really true to you, no? Kasi maaring yung iba, naghahanap ng extra, pa sa relationship. Be careful. So, let's see your other messages. Engagement. Yung iba, ikakasal. Ayan. So, some of you are in a relationship with someone na talagang may chemistry. Marami kayong mga bagay na pinagsasamahan na nag-e-enjoy kayong gawin together. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring pareho kayo interesado sa negosyo or yung trabaho ninyo, pareho kayo ng industriya, no? So, kaya talagang you enjoy each other's company. So, yung iba sa inyo, itong relationship na to ay nag-e-evolve, no? Nagbabago na to become a serious relationship. So, open din yung inyong communication. You are setting proper expectations sa relationship kung ano yung ine-expect mo sa person mo. Importante yun para at least alam niya kung ano yung ine-expect mo sa kanya. Same with your person. Alam din niya kung ano yung ine-expect niya sa'yo. Peace. Just because some people are fueled by drama doesn't mean you have to attend the performance. Make your life a drama-free zone. So, yung iba sa inyo maaring ang merong iiwanan na situation na masyado ng toxic or marami ng drama, no? This can be a relationship with a family member or sa kaibigan or environment sa trabaho. You are bringing more space into your life. The quality of your life has more to do with what you remove from your life than what you add to it. So, give yourself the gift of space. So, mas magiging mataas daw yung quality ng iyong life kapag meron kang tinanggal sa buhay mo na alam mong hindi na nakakatulong for your highest good. Okay? Dahil mas may space ka to do other things and to welcome other things. Okay? So, that is your reading, Pisces. Thank you so much. Bye!